Hello, my name is Yacel Hipólito, and I'd like to show it to you my first Python program here with Visual Studio Code. Here you can see my program hello.py, which is the extension for Python, and you can see two lines. In this line, we're going to use the print function that receives this string hello world, and we're gonna print this into the terminal. So we're gonna run our program, and then we can see that we are printing hello world. Now we can add an extra print just to get an extra space, and now you can see that we are going to generate an extra space just to make it looks nicer. So you see here hello world and an extra space. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.